So in relation to what we're talking about there, like building relationships and getting to know people, the last two I've got are through that very thing. I had a relationship with both agents, and also I was prepared. So, for example, the house I've just bought for my daughter, I knew the agent that sold my previous property. They knew who I am. I am a property developer and a part-time engineer. They knew that. But then when I have alerts set on my phone for my gold mine areas, it pinged when I was doing my house up in Middlesbrough for students. I saw that house 30 minutes after it went on the market, and I'd secured it by 3 o'clock that afternoon because I had my decision in principle already off Mike Morallo. Then you're always a property investor, and I had a proof of funds. And there was 15 people wanting to view it, and I got it before any of them had even seen it. So that's the first one. The second one, I've just secured a property in the Zetland Hotel in Saltburn. Now, I got outbid with that, but because I had a good relationship with Ingleby's and the sales team, and I'd made a decent-ish offer, they came back to me first when that seller fell out of the sale. They couldn't go through in the end. And they rang me first because, A, they'd seen my proof of funds, they'd seen my decision in principle, and they knew I could go ahead immediately. So get to know these people, tell them who you are. You're not just somebody coming off the street looking for a house to live in. You're doing it as a job. They see you in a totally different way. And having these things prepared in the background gets you that, you know, you're way ahead already. If somebody else had gone and seen that house that I bought for my daughter, but then they said, right, well, I need to go away and get a decision in principle, you're looking 2 or 3 days. If you've got a broker, if you haven't, you're looking at a week maybe. So get prepared and tell these people who you are. It gets you there over the line quicker than anything else.
Good, really good points, Mark. Thanks for that.